Hi, I'm Patty Finney, and this afternoon I would like to show you a demo on how to use Google's Explore tool. So, the example that I am going to work with today is we are writing a report on the history of Nebraska. And what the Google Explore tool is it allows you to do your research right from your Google Doc. So we are going to come over here to Tools, and we are going to select Explore. That opens up a pane on the right side of your document, and this is where you are going to put in your search terms. So we are going to do a search on Nebraska history. This search terms allows you to search for the web for information. It allows you to search for images, and then it also lets you search your drive if you have like PDF files and other documents, other pieces of research already uploaded to your drive. So let's say that I want to go to this history.com website. So I'm going to click on it. And so I do some research and I decide that I want to use a quote. I want to use this paragraph in a quote towards the beginning of my report. So I'm going to do a Command C to copy that. And then I'm going to insert this quote into my document with a Command V. And I know that I'm going to have to edit my text to make my fonts and the size and everything correct later. But right now, after I've brought that information in, I need to cite the source that I got that quote from. So I'm going to go back to my tab that has that website. And from that website where I have taken this quote, I am going to use a Google Chrome extension that looks like this, and it's called Cite This For Me. Cite This For Me extension. So you'll go to the App Store and install that extension. When I click on it, it brings up a box, and you can notice that I can cite this source in APA, in Chicago, Harvard, or MLA reference styles. So you will want to make sure you select the style of your instructor's choice. So for this example, I'm going to use MLA, and the citation is right here. So then I can copy this. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a Command C to copy. And then when I'm in my paper, if I start my bibliography, I can paste that source into my bibliography. So I've used the Explore to find my research, and then I'm using the extension Cite This For Me to put in the bibliography information. Okay, so say you want to then select an image for your report. All you have to do is you click on the image, if you find one that you like, and notice that this one is coming in as an upload from Wikimedia, but it doesn't really give that much information about the source. But if I click on that shortened URL, it gives me the full URL. So I'm going to click to go to that site on the web. So I am at this photo site, and now I can go back to Cite This For Me. I'm going to stay in MLA, and again, I have the citation information right there, and I'm going to copy that over. And oops, you know what I did? I put this picture in the bibliography. I needed to click back up before. Okay, so then I'll put that back up there. Okay, so then I need to click in the bibliography and paste that information. And again, my fonts, you're going to notice that I'm going to have to change my fonts to make them all look the same. And I can do all that editing before I turn the report in. So you see how I can quickly get to images and web resources right from within my Google Docs. And again, you use that with the Explore tool, which is found underneath the tools and Explore. There's one other way to cite that I want to share with you. And say that you have some books out of your library. There's an easy way to cite those book resources if you have the ISBN number. So I copied an ISBN number here in a little sticky note for me so I could use an example. So I'm going to copy the ISBN number, but you could also, if you have it, you could type it right in. But I'm going to show you an additional Google Chrome extension to use if you have those ISBN numbers. So if I put in a quote from my book, I still need to cite that. So this time, instead of using Cite This For Me, I am going to use the extension called OttoBib, Bibliography Generator. So I'm going to click on that. And it quickly brings up this box that you have to paste the ISBN number into, and you return. And again, look, it has the different format types, reference styles for you. I want to use MLA because that's what I'm doing. If I hover over that, it gives me this click to copy. So I copy it, and then I come back to my bibliography, and I can paste that source in. Now, once you quickly and easily gather all this information and your bibliography, again, I just want to mention that you will have to edit your text and your styles so that everything is consistent throughout your report. And I do want to make one more disclaimer, is whenever you copy those citations over into your report, please look at that information and see if it has everything that your instructor requires. Most generally, teachers will want to see the title, the author, the license, or the source, and sometimes they want to see the license information. So if it doesn't, state all of that, you can either go to those sites and try to find it yourself to add it in, or you can look for a different reference. Again, each instructor will give you specific instructions to follow. So that's our simple tutorial for using the Explore tool in Google Docs and using two easy Google extensions, Cite This For Me, and the other one is the OttoBib. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.